Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of REDnote. In the first we will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. Then in this page you will go to this window of login and you will click. Here in this page you will add your phone number. You can choose in the first your country code. For United States you will choose this country code of +1, but if you want you can log in from Google here from your email on Google. You will click on agree and continue it like this, and then you can choose your email. As you see here, after I choose my email to log in, you will find, if you are logging for the first time, you will find the list of gender, to choose your gender, and you will find also your age, to choose your age, and to choose interests that you want in this application. Then you will find this page of videos. You can choose any video to watch. For example, I will go to this video here. You can click in this sign to interact with this video. You can click here in this sign to comment this video. As you see, you will find also these comments here. Here in this sign you will share this video to your friends, or you can upload it or save it to album in this sign here. After that you will click in this sign of me, your profile here. To edit your profile you will go to this sign of profile. As you see here in this page you will find your name. To change your name you will find view. You can change your gender, email or female or male, or you can here also turn on to show your gender if you want. Here you will find birth dates, you will find job, location, education, background photo. You can edit all these things, and here you can click in this sign to change your profile, your photo profile. After that you will go to above to this sign here to go to settings. You will click in this sign of settings. As you see here in this page you will go to this window of account security. Here you will find all things that are related to security. For example, password. You can set your password or you can change it if you already have it. Here you will find the rename verification, official verification. You can verify anything here you want in this page. Also we will go to general settings that are related to the app. For example, languages. You can choose your language. You will find these languages and language of English. Here you will find font size. You can edit your font size as you see here, large, larger, normal, or anything you want. Here you will go to dark mode if you want to edit your theme. For example, when you click here in this sign you will turn on your dark mode here, as you see, but if you click again you will find here light mode. So that's all. Here as you see in this page you will find the signs. You can turn on or you can turn off anything you want here in this page on general settings. Then we will go to notification settings. As you see, you can control your notifications. You can turn off new followers notifications or you can turn on it. Here you will control all your notifications. Then here privacy settings, you will find this list, and you can also control here your privacy settings to turn on or to turn off. And after that here you will find clear cache. If you want to clear your cache you will click on OK here. And as you see that's all. That's how you can use your application. At the end you can click here on logout if you want to log out on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us. by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.